Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll solve a nice maths Olympiad question. This question is x plus y is equal to 4, xy is equal to 16, and xy is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths problem. So our math solution. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now first of all, I take our first equation. So according to our first equation here, x plus y is equal to 4. Then here y is equal to 4 minus x. I just move on this x in this side, it will be negative x. This is our third equation. Now our second equation here, xy is equal to 16. This is our second equation. Now here x, but this y, it will be 4 minus x. I put this value here, is equal to 16. Then it will be 4 times x, it will be 4x minus x times x, it will be x squared, is equal to 16. Now here negative x squared, this is positive 4x, and this is negative 16, is equal to 0. Then you can see easily, if I multiply both sides by negative 1, so it will be positive x squared minus negative 4x and positive 16 is equal to 0. Then here a nice quadratic equation. So here x is equal to what? How to solve this interesting quadratic equation? So here I apply this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. I apply this math formula. Then here negative v is negative 4, so I take this negative 4 plus or minus square root v square, negative 4 whole square minus 4 ac is 1, but here c is 16 over 2a is 1. Now you can say here is x, it will be negative positive 4 plus minus square root, then negative 4 whole to the power even number, it is always positive 16 minus 4 times 16, it will be 64 over 2. Then here 4 plus or minus square root 64 minus 16, it will be negative 48 over 2. Then you can say easily here x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root 48, it will be 16 times 3 times negative 1 over 2. Then here 4 plus minus square root 16 square root 3 square root negative 1 over 2. I separate this value here. Then x is equal to 4 plus minus square root 16, it will be 4, and here is square root 3. This is square root negative 1, it will be I. So this is complex number. Square root negative 1, it will be I, and over 2. Then if I separate this fraction, 4 over 2 plus or minus 4 square root 3 I over 2. Then here x, it will be 4 divided 2, it will be 2 plus minus, and it will be 2 square root 3 I. We will find out our final answer here, x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root 3 I. So here is no real solution, both are complex number. So it is interesting math, because of that here is no real solution. But here x1, it will be 2 plus 2 square root 3 I. x2 is equal to 2 minus 2 square root 3 I. Now we'll find out y is equal to what. But remember or recall our third equation, it will be y is equal to 4 minus x. Here third equation, y is equal to 4 minus x. So at this moment we'll find out the value of y here. So here y1 is equal to 4 minus x, it will be 2 plus 2 square root 3i. Then here y2 is equal to 4 minus x. This x will be 2 minus 2 square root 3i. Now at this moment you can see it will be 4 minus 2 square root 3i, plus or minus, it will be minus. Then here y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus minus, it will be plus 2 square root 3i. Then here 2 minus 2 square root 3i, and it will be 2 plus 2 square root 3i. So we'll find out our final solution, our final answer. Here x and y, it will be 2 plus 2 square root 3i. This time y is equal to 2 minus 2 square root 3i. And again, when x is equal to 2 minus 2 square root 3i, this time it will be 2 plus 2 square root 3i. This is our final solution in this Math Olympiad question. Both are complex number. Here is no real solution. Now let's verify our question. It will be x plus y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 16. This is our question. Now first of all, here x plus y is equal to 4. This is x, this is y, so I take this value here to square root 3i plus 2 minus 2 square root 3i. Now this cancel out. 2 plus 2, it will be 4. So left hand side and right hand side, both sides is equal in this maths problem. Now here xy is equal to 16, so this time it will be 16. Let's verify our maths problem. Here 2 plus 2 square root 3i times 2 minus 2 square root 3i. So is it 16? Okay, so here this is a, this is b, and this is a, this is b. So a plus b times a minus b. Oh no, that it will be a square minus b square. Then a square minus b square, it will be, here is a is 2, so you can see it will be 2 to the power 2 minus b square, b, it will be 2 square root 3i bracket power is 2. Then here 2 to the power 2, it will be 4 minus, and you can see 2 to the power 2, it is like this, 2 to the power 2 times square root 3 bracket power is 2 times I to the power 2. Now here 4 minus, and it will be 4, and this is 3, square root is cancel, and this is negative 1. Oh no, that negative 1, it will be I squared. Now here 4 minus, it will be 4 times 3 is 12, this is minus 1, so it will be minus 12. Then here minus minus, it will be plus, so 4 plus 12, you can see it will be 16. So left hand side and right hand side, both side is equal in this math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.